In order to activate Incredibuild during your GitLab pipeline, we will need to create a dedicated batch file. That script should be executed during the pipeline step you wish to accelerate. In this case, we'll focus on the build step of the pipeline. Here we can see the Incredibuild command required to accelerate your Visual Studio Solutions build. It includes the necessary solution and additional Incredibuild configurations. Next, let's have a look at your GitLab's pipeline code. We can see that the name of the solution and additional configuration parameters are configured in the Variables section, while the script we created is executed during the build step. Now, we'll go ahead and run our pipeline. All the required configuration will be inserted to the pipeline's code. Let's run our pipeline. We can see that our pipeline is running, and Incredibuild is starting to distribute build tasks across the various helper agents connected to its grid. Build complete successfully. Job well done.